but boy, they have a tough draw here. The Marvel Universe represented with Iron Man and Dustin Brown, the 2013 Monster Jam Rookie of the Year.